So, good morning, Fitri, Halimah, Lubis. How are you doing today?
Um, Hello, I'm fine.
Okay, thank you so much. So, we are so grateful to have you with us in Eurasia Research chat session today. So, I would be starting with a brief introduction of Fitri Halima Lubis. So, Fitri Halima Lubis from the University of State Islamic University of North Sumatra, Indonesia. She participated in a Kuala Lumpur conference, and her topic of presentation was Obesity Becomes a Global Problem. I would also like to announce that Fitri was selected for a Young Researcher Scholarship program for this conference as well. Okay, so let's start, Fitri, with a question and answer round. Are you ready for it?
Yes, ready.
Okay. So, starting with our very first question. So, you have presented on the topic Obesity Becomes a Global Problem at the conference. Can you please explain your research in a nutshell?
Uh, I chose this topic because I think there are still many people who are indifferent about obesity, even though obesity itself can cause various diseases.
Okay, great. Yeah. Coming on to our next question, what were the challenges that you have faced in your research journey throughout?
Mm, In research, there are certainly challenges and obstacles, and what I faced was in working on the people. I had to finish it in a short time with 50 journal reference, so that caused me to lose sleep and forget to eat. But I'm very grateful that finally my research was accepted.
Yeah, that was really great. Okay, so what was your motivation during the research?
In doing research, I was motivated by my lecturer who always confessed me not to be afraid to write. She said, "Don't be afraid to work. Write as much as possible because one day your work or writing can take you traveling abroad and can take you to see the world more broadly." And finally, I'm proud.
Okay, nice, nice. Okay. So, what advice would you give to the young researchers who are just starting out their career in the research world? Uh, Tell me something based on your own experiences and insights.
My advice to young researchers: don't be afraid to start, and then don't be afraid to try. Research is not hard. If you think it's hard, then it's just your mind. From research, we can feel the pressure that we have never gotten before. Research from now and make your paper as good as possible because your paper might bring you to the country you dream of.
Yeah, that's really a great advice from your end. Okay, so at last, I would like to ask you the positive feedback that you have about our conference.
I'm very grateful to the organizer of this conference. This conference has brought me abroad, allowed me to get to know and communicate directly with people from the other countries. And this conference gave me the experience and opportunity to be an oral presenter. I hope this conference will continue and encourage other young researchers.
Thank you so much. Okay, so thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. We are really very grateful to have you with us today, and it will be a great pleasure for us to see you at our future conferences. Thank you so much, Fitri.
Yeah, you're welcome.